Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the drive belt on a Volvo XC90. First, gather your tools, including a 14mm wrench, a new serpentine belt, and a diagram of the belt's path. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Having the right tools and information ready saves time and effort. Now, let's get that old belt off. Use your 14mm wrench to rotate the tensioner pulley counterclockwise, releasing the belt's tension. While holding the tensioner, carefully slip the old belt off all the pulleys. Take a moment to inspect each pulley for any signs of wear or damage. This is a good time to check for any unusual play or noise. With the old belt removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully route the new serpentine belt around all the pulleys, following your diagram precisely. The tensioner pulley should be the last one you engage. Once the belt is mostly in place, use your 14mm wrench again to release the tensioner, allowing you to slip the belt fully onto that final pulley. Ensure it's seated correctly. After the new belt is on, slowly release the tensioner, allowing it to apply the correct tension. Before closing up, give the belt a visual check to ensure it's perfectly aligned on all pulleys. Then, start your engine for a short moment to confirm the belt runs smoothly without any squeaks or wobbles. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This simple maintenance can prevent bigger issues down the road, keeping your Volvo running reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.